Alright, we got the Dodge with the 4-inch straight pipe on it. I've had it on there for going on 4 months now, and I'm showing my age. I just can't do it no more. So we're going to put a muffler on it here. So this is the last of the straight pipe. Alright, so we're going to roll behind this build here so you can get a little sound of it. It sounds great, don't get me wrong, but I'm just too freaking old for this. So. Get a little sound here out in the open here. Get around pops here. It does. That's the before the muffler, or after the stock muffler was taken off and gone to a straight pipe.